In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a blower motor on your Dodge Durango. This is going to be located under the dash on the right side. Let's get started. Using a trim tool, we're going to pop out our clips. Pull straight down. They're Christmas tree clips. There's actually one more on the right. Remove the 3 clips and pull the panel down. We have 2 connectors on the bottom that we have to remove. One right here. Push on that tab in the front, pull straight up and remove that connector. One in the back, we have a push button right here. Push on the top of that tab, pull straight back, remove the connector. Remove that felt piece. Remove the connector for the blower motor. Push on the tab, pull straight down, remove that connector. That's your tab right there. We're going to use a T20 bit and we're going to remove the 3 screws for the blower motor. Remove the 3 screws. Now we can remove our blower motor. Be sure that it's fully seated. It won't be able to twist when it is. Go around and snug down all of the fasteners. Get all 3 screws nice and tight. You'll feel them bottom out. Install the connector for the blower motor. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. And install the felt piece. We're going to get the connectors installed. Push until you hear a click, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on. Do the same thing with the light. Install the Christmas tree clips into place. Tuck that liner behind this kick plate. We have one more clip in the front. And you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.